Namaste. Today we will check how to construct quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. We will move to exercise 4.4. First question, construct the following quadrilaterals. First one is quadrilateral DEAR. In that, DE equal to 4 centimeter, EA equal to 5 centimeter, AR is 4.5 centimeter, angle E equal to 60 and angle A equal to 90. So here, first we will draw a rough figure. DE is 4 centimeter. Next is 60 degree angle, angle E. We will construct 60 degree and extend it. Now EA is 5, take 5 radius and cut here. This will be EA. Next is angle A is 90 degree. We will construct angle 90 here, extend it. Next is AR is 4.5. Take 4.5 radius, cut it here. Now join this, you will get DEAR. So first I am going to draw line segment DE. This is DE, 4 centimeter. Now angle E is 60. To construct 60, keep compass here on E. Take any of the radius, draw an arc here. With the same radius, cut here on the arc. This will be 60. Now extend a line segment through it. This angle is 60. Next is EA. EA is 5 centimeter. Take 5 centimeter radius. Now cut an arc on that line segment. This is A. This point is A. Next angle A is 90 degree. To construct an angle here on A, you will take a radius and draw an arc like this. With same radius, cut from here and from here also. 2 cuts. This is 60, this is 120. Now 60 and 120, consider these and draw the bisector of that. That is keeping the compass here, you will draw an arc, and from here also you will draw another arc. This is the bisector. Draw a line segment and extend it. This is 90 degree.
Next, take radius 4.5 and mark it on the line starting from A, because AR is 4.5 given in the question. Now draw a line segment from D and the intersecting point you can name it as R.
So this is DEAR.
AR is 4.5, DE 4, AE 5, and this angle is 60 and angle A is 90.
Next, construct quadrilateral TRUE. TR equal to 3.5 centimeter, RU equal to 3 centimeter, UE equal to 4 centimeter, angle R equal to 75 degree, angle U equal to 120 degree. So first we will draw a rough figure. Quadrilateral is TRUE, TR is 3.5 and here angle R is 75. Let this be 75. Extend it. Next is RU 3 centimeter. Take 3 and mark a point. This is 3. This is U. Angle U is 120. Let this be 120. Extend it.
Also, it is given UE equal to 4. So mark the radius 4 on this line.
Now draw a line segment from here also. This point will be E. TRUE. So let us construct it. First we will draw 3.5. This is TR 3.5. Now next we will construct angle R 75. To construct angle 75, take any of the radius, draw an arc like this. With the same radius, draw another arcs on this bigger arc. Now these are 60 and 120. Their bisector will be 90 degree. Bisector means considering these 2 points, take more than half radius, draw an arc like this, and also keeping here, draw another arc. Now this will be 90 degree, and this is 60, this is 90. In between 60 and 90, the bisector is 75. So consider this point and this point. Draw another bisector like this. That is keeping compass here and draw an arc, keeping compass here and draw another arc. This is the bisector. Now draw a line segment, extend it. This is 75 degree. Next, angle U is 120. Before that, RU is 3 centimeter. Take 3 centimeter here. Keeping here, you will arc here. This is 3 centimeter. So we will erase all the other extensions. This is 3 centimeter. This is 3.5. This is 75 angle. Now on 3, keep compass. Take any of the radius and draw an arc from it. Like this. Next, keep the compass here, this point, inner point. This is not inside the quadrilateral, so keep it here. Draw the first arc. This will be 60. Now keeping here, draw the other arc. That will be 120. This is 60 and this is 120. We don't want this portion. So from this point, you can extend a line segment like this. This is 120. So this angle, the inner angle will be 120. Next, this is point T. This is R and this is U.
Taking radius 4, that is UE equal to 4. So keep the compass on U and mark a point on this line with radius 4.
From T, you can draw a line segment. The intersecting point will be E. So this is the quadrilateral TRUE.